Okay, so this here is the Ledger Nano X. Okay, it has some battery problems, so I'm going to try to repair this. And so first of all, I take off the steel swivel clip. That's the protective casing for it. That's what it looks like there. Okay. Next I open up the four corners, which are clipped into place with this thin blade. This clips on four corners of it, so I'll take these off and try pry it off by hand. Okay, there we go. So I lift the face from it, and that's what it looks like there in the inside. Now I take off the buttons off from the chip. Next I take out the chip with a thin screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Now I've opened this up before, as you can see. I've done some work on it, but there's the two terminals, or the two pins that is used to connect the battery. So what I'm going to do is something with them. Since I'm having battery problems, I'll solder a little bit of solder on either pin or little plate, and there you go. You see them there? That's the soldering work there. Not enough to cause any damage to anything in there. And I'll piece it back together. And I gently just do this. I piece it back together. And I eventually put the face back onto it and the buttons and so on. So I'll put the buttons back onto the chip, put the right button back into its rightful place, both buttons back into their rightful places, and put the face back on. And keep going till I hear all the clips, till it fully clips into place. And put the steel swivel protective casing back onto it. And here we go. Okay, that's good. So that's something that worked for me, and this as well, I combined it with this technique that I got from Ledger. So read this, and the battery problems that are fixed with the terminals, and this here helped me fix my Ledger Nano X.